Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stedman Nix. I'm here before you today to present my brief presentation on how the implementation of physical education can be very important and very vital in a student's development while in school. And there are several different variables that I'll elaborate on in this presentation. Physical education, physical fitness has been around for hundreds of years, even since the Greek times. Romans used physical fitness as a way to, prepare their people to get ready for comeback and battle. According to SparkPE.org, physical education was stamped into the school system in 1820 into the school curriculum, and you know this happened after the Civil War, and the first physical education program was established in the Cincinnati, Ohio. Um, so socially is one variable that impacts physical education, physical fitness for students in school. Students might, appreciate knowing that, it's advantages from physical education, such as, being sociable. And when you're being sociable, you are able to engage and meet other people. And students, are engaging with people each and every day. So it's so sort of like that self confidence that you know that they get, from having physical education or that physical fitness, because they're able to engage with students and their peers, on a physical level. So gaining that self confidence, that self image, is factors that help them socially. Also, as well as building relationships. Like I said, um, having physical education implemented gives students a chance to reach out and talk to the other peers, and make friends. Um, Another variable that's beneficial to students' development is child development. The National Association of Sports and Education recommends that students have 60 minutes a day for activity, any kind of physical activity, which is very feasible. Students are learning the basic cognitive functions that are related to um, physical activity. You're able to grab that up, have more attention, and able to retain more, because your 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 brain is transmitting those transmitters, and you're able to flow. Your brain is able to flow more frequently. And also physical fitness is able to help increase oxygen flow through the brain. Also, students are they're dealing with certain problems, such as stress and anxiety and depression, and physical fitness is one of those things that can help them relieve that stress, relieve that anxiety, because it makes them more relaxed. Also, physical activities releases endorphins, which are hormones secreted within the brain and nervous system for having psychological functions. Another variable that plays into effect is the healthy lifestyle. When when you know better, you do better. So when you eat better, when you work out, that kind of correlates with each other, because you're you're working out, you're trying to reach a certain goal. So it's like your mind is telling you that you have to eat better, eat more healthier, because your body function better. So I think physical activities makes give people that the self awareness about what's right and wrong for being healthy. Um, Physical education pushes students to remain active in their lifetime. I think that's a big deal. We want to continue to you know get students to work out even past their school days. um, Last factor that is benefiting from physical activity in school is academically. um, According to the U.S. Departments of Human Resources, um, nine studies explored physical activities that occurred in classrooms apart from physical education classes and recess, with 5 to 20 minute physical activities for that break. Um, and this was a way to show that out of 8 of the 9 studies, you know, positive correlation was found between the classroom based physical activities, and it also led to cognitive indicators. Um, in South Carolina, Dutch researchers found that schools were um, that were focusing more on test scores, you know tended to not translate it as much as to schools who maybe focused on the test scores and having physical education in schools. So in conclusion, um, I want to see that physical education is beneficial to students' development through these different variables, and I think there's enough research to show that these variables have a great impact on how students can be very successful in the school system if they can follow some of these guidelines, or if the schools can follow this way to make physical education important need in the curriculum. Thank you.